Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a longer format video because a shorter one just won't do it justice. I thought instead of editing it right down, I'll let you guys watch the full thing and pick up any tips that you need along the way. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be getting back to every single comment. Now sit back and enjoy. Now for these first couple lines, I'm just making sure we're not pressing too hard at all, just tracing out the lines that we want. Because we will be going back over these lines several times throughout this video. Making sure we're taking a step back and looking at our canvas throughout the whole haircut. Now for these tricky, tough areas, we're just using the corner of the blade, pressing very gently. Now that our design is in, we're going to make sure that we go in and stretch anything out that we need to. Then the next step I like to do to really make the fade and the design pop is I go in and fade everything underneath the lines out. Making sure that we are mirroring the design with our fade line down the bottom. Now you really can fade this out any way possible, but I like to take a different approach to this. I like to put in my 1.5 first, and then my 0.5, and then I'll flick out with the 0 line. As you guys know, I always like to finish off my designs with my white pencil enhancements. It really makes everything stand out and pop, and then I'm going to have it with a razor finish at the end. making sure before we get into our razor work that everything is well prepped. A nice bit of shave gel and a hot towel really works well. My main tips are for shaving and using the straight razor. Make sure the skin is really taut and you're just very confident with everything overall. And that's the final result. I hope you guys like this slightly different, longer formatted video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below and what you guys would like to see next.